Wait a minute. Something's wrong.
Okay, there's the turn.
On the right?
Yeah. Watch out, that car.
Yeah, I see it.
She's gonna have your head, Missy.
Look out! Stacy, talk to me!
Wait, you're talking to her?
I was.
Well, where is she? Oliver's on his way here. He said there's no sign she had been home.
She didn't make it there.
What's going on?
Wait, you're on the wrong side! Pull over!
What? I'm trying.
They're not stopping.
Get out of the way!
I can't. There's no place to go.
It's perfectly normal to feel a bit disoriented after the therapy you've been through. It's just a little harmless ECT. The discomfort you may have gone through is nothing really, Jessica. As long as it has led you to embrace your destiny.
What?
Your future. You're about to have a baby. He's on his way right now.
Don't do this, Guy. Don't tell her you're the father. If you really love her the way you say you do, you won't hurt her like this. Rex already did that. You need to save her. Save her from the truth.
Hey.
Hi. I just wanted to tell you, it is snowing like crazy up here. Don't even try to come.
Too late now. I'm on the way.
Then turn around. I mean it. I don't want you sliding into
I
some
can't
ditch.
turn back. I have to see you tonight.
Tell me, what is going on?
Our girl's in trouble. They got her.
You could have killed us.
But I didn't.
What about everybody else?
Hurry up, Charlie. Be careful, but hurry up.
I'm coming.
Come on.
She. You okay?
Yeah, I think so. You?
Well, yeah, I'm a little banged up, but I'll live.
I think that crazy nurse took Stacy up that road.
No, I saw them. They went up the hill.
Uh-huh. So, where's the other car?
I don't know. Oh. Oh. I think they went over to the side.
John. Yeah. You okay? Yeah. Natalie. Hey.
Natalie, can you hear me?
Is she breathing?
Natalie.
Is she okay?
You got a pulse. Hey. Come on, open your eyes.
I'm gonna have a baby, but I'm not pregnant.
Well, the chosen one is being carried by a surrogate vessel.
I don't understand.
Do you know who I am?
Oh, God, Stace.
Okay, what happened? What exactly did she say?
That she was kidnapped. That crazy nurse must have got her.
What? Where did she take her?
That's what I was trying to find out, but the phone went dead.
I knew Mitch hadn't given up. Damn it! Hey, what's going on? Stacy's gone. They got her.
We gotta go back.
Whatever for.
We just barely missed an accident. At least 2 other cars had the guardrail. The mayor and the guy could be dead.
The messenger will be pleased.
What kind of nurse are you? You're supposed to help people.
God helps those that help themselves. The only thing that matters is that the chosen one is safe. The messenger eagerly awaits his arrival, as does the mother.
Listen, I'm the mother, bitch. And it's not a he, it's a she. I thought you had
had to work tonight, and now with this blizzard, let's just do it another night.
Gigi, it can't wait. I'll explain when I get there.
I'm losing you.
I'll tell you when I get there.
What's going on? Is this about the baby?
Okay, look, I got no signal at all. Oh, jeez.
Wait! Where do you think you're going?
Well, I'm going to see if I can help the people who went on the side.
Absolutely not! You're not going to leave me here alone!
Come on, open your eyes.
John?
Right here.
And
There's a car that lost control, came right at us. We swerved and we went through the guardrail. What hurts?
or it doesn't.
Yeah. Come on, we're gonna get you out of here.
Okay. I can't. I'm stuck.
It's gone like 1 minute.
Point is, Kim left Stacy, and apparently Mitch's nurse grabbed her. And my guess is she's taken her to wherever Mitch is hiding out.
Okay, and she's in labor with...
Mitch's grandchild. So we've got to get her back, right? Before Mitch does something we all regret.
Problem is it's just us. With Bo out of office, John in jail.
No, John's out. Brody busted him out of the courthouse. They're looking for Jessica.
Well, if they're looking for Jessica, they're headed for Mitch.
Here. Take it.
What are you gonna do?
This. Okay. Come on, let's get you out of here.
John, you're wasting your time at pinned underneath the steering wheel. Just go get Mitch.
Lawrence can wait.
But Jess can't. Please, I'll be fine here. Just go and find my sister.
I am your father, the messenger. And you are my daughter, Jessica Lawrence.
And the baby?
The baby is the chosen one, your son. Let me show you. See? We're all ready for him. He'll be in your arms before you know it.
Can you hear me? Skylar,
Yeah,
is this about the baby?
it is, yeah.
There's a lot of static.
We'll talk when I get up there.
Wait, is there something wrong with the baby?
No. It's nothing like that. The baby hasn't even been born yet.
But Stacy was in labor.
No, she wasn't.
What do you mean? Unless, was it false labor?
I'll tell you when I get there.
Skylar, what's going on? What aren't you telling me? Do you not trust me?
Of course I trust you. More than anyone in the world.
Then tell me what's going on.
Dorian, that car that we saw coming towards us went off the road and is probably down at the bottom of that ravine, and there may be people who are hurt.
Or dead. And okay, let's say they're hurt, all right? So if you manage to climb down that icy mountain, what are you going to do?
I don't know, you're the doctor.
Well, I'm certainly not going to go down there. Absolutely not. I don't have my doctor bag. I have no equipment, and neither are you. Hey!
So what are we going to do? Just lay them down there to die?
Ooh, we're going to find some place where there is phone service, and then we'll call for help.
I can't just walk away when there are people down there hurt.
Charlie, do I have to remind you? Mitch Lawrence killed your son. He's got Jessica now. Heaven knows what he's going to do to her and that Stacy girl. We only have one thing we need to do. Find Mitch and kill him.